Hey, work with me on this hook. I'm about to like really be trying to sing this shit. I'm back in the studio, right? Right. The Rock is back. Yeah. This shit right here. This shit feel like some history in the making type shit, some anthem type shit. Shout out to the whole team though. It's Endless Hustle L7. Niggas is trying to be flyer than the motherfucking clouds, bro. Leg up.
Homie, I ain't even rich, but I'm sitting here counting my money. Yeah, I promise I'ma do it, go hard for the people that love it. Watching time flow down, watching time flow
Rocket Man Love.
Watching time flow down.
Yo, listen.
This is my moment of fame. I have created the future of music today. I'm flowing and floating away and killing the music you constantly play. Okay, this is the moment I claim. Give me a moment, I'm going and I will be endless forever. So fuck all them squads and all them sets you throwing. Boy, I does it and I'm extra going. I'm extra ready for the mission. I accept the motion. Time to take flight. I'm checking all components. You can turn your swag up to the max. I handle all opponents. Let me get control this. I'll be spazzing on them, rain the acid on them. Tell them I am only here with warning. Yeah, I got another era coming after. It's not the end, it's just that time to start another chapter.
Homie, I ain't even rich, but I'm sitting here counting my money. Yeah, I promise I'ma do it, go hard for the people that love it. Watching time flow down, watching time flow down, watching time flow down, watching time flow down.
Tattooed attitude, I am who they talk about. The bigger picture, they constantly trying to cut me out. I'm still the misunderstood poetic genius, transmitting what you're receiving, so kick it or simply leave it now. Too far ahead for these other artists to see us. Anti-Viagra rappers who would never keep up. I'm Mr. Music, I do it. I'm like a teacher that teaches teachless MCs how to be us. But we nuts, straight animals who eat every beat like cannibals and mentally feeling like Rambo, scrambling big sand. Vandal to the industry. Sickest nigga doing it, don't even try to mimic me.
Yeah. And it's just like that. Flight 757, my nigga. It's the Rocket Man. Hey, but they always ask me like why I'm always talking about flying. And I'm like, it's the life I live, you feel me? If you ain't talking about up, you ain't talking.